Okay, here's some progress status here of our Darby Place ADU. That's the Hardy vertical sliding, James Hardy. Cool craftsman style front door. Voila. Here we are in the big main living room. To our right's gonna be the kitchen with a nice kitchen island, little dining area, and a living room. That living room flows out to a little private secluded back space for our tenant. As we continue through, we're gonna see the first of 2 bathrooms. Looks like we got our Red Guard waterproofing on, and they've just started to set the blue subway tile. This bathroom serves 2 small bedrooms, nice and bright here. And our second bedroom, same size as the first, nice big reach-in closet. And then we have a big long hallway, laundry room, storage, utility closet. And here is our ensuite master. Here's the bathroom, tiles done in here, looking pretty good. Nice walk-in closet off the master bathroom. And then back to that little slider off the shared patio in the back. So there you go, progress of our 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,200 square foot ADU in process. Check back for more progress videos. Thanks.